This is Piles of Presents stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 29 individual stamps. Celebrate a happy occasion with piles of presents. This stamp set features fun two-step wrap parcels with added twine and bows. You can really play around with the wrappings to create many fun looks. The set also includes sentiments to add a celebratory sentiment to your handmade projects. This is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Piles of Presents stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.